Welcome to our tutorial on the basic features of the Copernicus Interactive Climate Atlas, a powerful tool developed by the Copernicus Climate Change Service. CIT3S Atlas offers an insightful perspective on climate monitoring and change through a wide range of climate data. The Atlas enables a wide range of possibilities to explore climate data in different regions. The tool includes not only some of the key climate projections, but also reanalysis and observational datasets. Climate projections can be visualized both for climatology and changes and for different global warming levels. It offers different map projections, and the data can be downloaded as an image file in raw .NET-CDF or GeoTIFF files, or create a permalink to the selection. The user-defined regional selection tool enables to draw the area that we want to explore, then visualize the data for the selected region with the different visualization options. With the CIT3S Atlas, we can, for example, visualize the climate projections of extreme hot days at different levels of warming based on climate models such as CIMIP6 or CORDEX at higher resolution. The example shows the regions defined by the IPCC Assessment Report 6. The CIT3S Atlas offers the possibility to explore state-of-the-art climate projections, including historical data for the past and future for climatological and climate change values. Some variables, indices, are available in bias-adjusted versions. In this example, we are selecting Italy using the European countries option and showing the different regional visualization tools. Hovering the interactive charts, we can obtain the detailed values for each plot. The change dimension shows the past and projected future anomaly values. The climatology dimension displays the median values. We can also display the global data by selecting all the regions. The Selected Cities regional tool offers valuable climate information on city level. Users are supported all across the journey with a detailed user guide. The dataset behind the CIT3S Atlas is available on our Climate Data Store for more advanced users, and the user tools provides examples allowing anyone to reproduce and reuse the CIT3S data and products following the FAIR principles.